Hello everyone. In this video, we shall learn about the another interesting topic that is water. Water, how it is formed, what are its uses and its sources and many more. So is let's begin with the very simple question is why water is essential for life. So the answer would be all the living things include human beings, animals, and plants need water to live. Without water, there would be no living things exist on the earth. If we look at this picture of the earth taken from the space, the earth appears blue. The earth appears blue because a major part of the surface of the earth is covered with water in seas and oceans. It is this water on the earth which make it appears blue. How water is useful for the humans and the animals. So, the first we have it maintain the body temperature, second transporting nutrients, third removing all the toxic waste that is present in our body. Same as it is, plants uses the water for the seed germination, transport transporting nutrient, and last that is the photosynthesis through which the plant able to make their own food with the help of this process. Next we have the uses of water. So water is widely used for various purposes such as cooking, transportation, hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion, such as water flowing over a waterfall to generate electricity. Water is also used for bathing, drinking, agriculture, and it's a home for the variety of aquatic animals and plants. Next, we have the different forms of water. So, water exists in three different forms, that is, solid, liquid, and gas. When water circulates in nature through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms. First, we have the solid form. As a snow or ice, it covered the mountains, glacier, and ice caps on the poles of the earth. Second, we have the liquid. Liquid form in oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, and under the ground. Third, we have in the gaseous form as water vapor in the air or atmosphere around us. Next, we have the different sources of water. That means from where we get the water over the earth. First, we have saline water body. It includes the oceans and seas. The water found in the oceans and seas is not fit for drinking or agriculture purposes as it contains large amount of salts. However, ocean act as a habitat for large number of plants and animals. Second, we have freshwater bodies. It includes the rivers and the springs. Most of the water which human being uses for drinking, washing and farming comes from rivers, ponds and springs. The river water downs the mountainside and across the land, finally flowing into a sea or an ocean. The third we have rainwater. The rain is a very important source of water for us. All resources of water are fed mainly by rain. Next we have groundwater. The groundwater is actually rainwater which mainly comes from seepage of water accumulated under the ground. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.